Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day. And thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious cauliflower fried rice. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started.
In a food processor, pulse your cauliflower. In a wok or saucepan, heat up your sesame oil and soften your onions, garlic, and vegetables. In a separate bowl, mix together your gluten-free soy sauce. I use tamari, ginger, and red pepper flakes. You know, you gotta keep it spicy. Move your vegetables to one side of the pot or pan. Then add in your beaten eggs. Softly scramble your eggs and then slowly move your vegetables back into the mixture. Now add your cauliflower and mix thoroughly. Now add in your soy sauce mixture and toss until everything is thoroughly coated. Lastly, top your fried rice with chopped scallions.
Alright guys, don't forget to finish this off with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Alright, let's see how it tastes. I can taste a little bit of spiciness from the red chili flakes. And it has a similar texture to rice. It's not exactly the same, but it is a good substitute. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.